In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create promoted listings on eBay to increase your visibility and sales. If you're trying to reach more potential buyers and give your products the attention they deserve, then this is definitely for you. We're going to walk through each step to ensure you set up your promoted listings effectively. First, let's start by opening Chrome and logging into your eBay seller account. This step is straightforward, but it's essential because you need to be in your seller account to access the promotional tools eBay offers. Once you're logged in, head over to the Seller Hub. If you haven't used it before, the Seller Hub is your command center for managing your eBay listings, and it's a great tool to stay organized and efficient. Next, you need to click on the Marketing tab within the Seller Hub. This section is where eBay provides various options to help you promote your items and increase your sales potential. Once you're in the Marketing section, look for and click on Promoted Listings. This feature is crucial because it allows you to boost the visibility of your products in search results by paying a fee, a strategic move that can greatly enhance your reach. Now comes the fun part, choosing the listings you want to promote. Think carefully about which items would benefit most from increased visibility. Often it's a good idea to promote popular items that have a competitive market or new products you want to launch successfully. Once you've selected the items, the next step is to set your ad rate, which is a percentage of the sale price. This is essentially the fee you're willing to pay eBay when your promoted items sell. Consider setting an ad rate that balances your need for visibility with your profit margins. eBay usually provides a suggested ad rate based on their algorithm, but you have the flexibility to adjust it to suit your strategy. After setting the ad rate, it's time to submit and activate your promoted listings campaign. Make sure to double check everything to ensure all your selections and settings align with your promotional goals. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and activate the campaign. Now your promoted listings are live, and it's essential to keep an eye on their performance via the dashboard. This tool will give you insights into how your campaign is doing, allowing you to make informed decisions. Regular monitoring is key. If you notice that certain listings are not performing as expected, be ready to make necessary adjustments, whether that means tweaking the ad rate or choosing different items to promote. And there you have it. You're all set to enhance your eBay selling strategy with promoted listings. This straightforward yet impactful method can significantly increase your product visibility and drive more sales. Happy selling!